Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to learn how to improve the recording quality in OBS Studio. If you've been struggling with blurry or low-quality screen recordings, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Now, click on Settings in OBS. From the menu on the left, select Video. Here, you'll see a new interface where you can adjust your resolution and frame rate settings. Keep the first option, the base, canvas, resolution, set to 1920 by 1080. The second option, the output, scaled, resolution, should also be the same 1920 by 1080. For the third option, if the downscale filter is enabled, select Lanchos for the best quality. Finally, set the FPS value to 60 for smooth recording. On the left side, click on Output. At the top, change the output mode from Simple to Advanced. Then, from the tabs below, select Recording. Now, under the recording settings, click on Recording Format and select MPEG 4.MP4. Now, scroll down to access the encoder settings section. In the rate control option, select CBR. For the bitrate, choose a value between 12,000 and 20,000 kilobits per second for high-quality recording. If you prefer using CQP, set the value to 18 for optimal balance between quality and file size. Now, let's go to the video settings and change the common FPS value from 60 to 30. This will help you achieve the same image quality at a lower bitrate, since the image is only being updated 30 times per second instead of 60. Finally, click on Apply and then OK to save your settings. And that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you improve your OBS recording quality. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.